Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process of creating slides or presentations with Decktopus. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see we are diving into Decktopus and we are presented with three options. We have start from scratch, create with a template, and create with AI. I'm going to go ahead. You can use any one of these options. I'm going to create with a template, and here I'm going to just use case study. You can see there are a bunch. You can also search over here, and then let us go ahead and choose this one over here. You can preview it or you can just select it. It'll now redirect you to a new window, and here it's literally going to open up that presentation, that template, and then you can customize it on your own. Now on the left hand side you have the AI assistant, which allows you to create slides. It's got an image generator. You can translate your presentation into a different language. You can create engaging Q&As, and then also there's smart presentation tips that you can use. You also can change the design. You can add elements. You can upload media over here. You can access some storage, make notes, and then you can also completely create your own brand, which we'll need to upgrade for that. Now over here, whatever you are going to edit, you can literally click on this. This is definitely giving me Canva vibes. You can go ahead and click on anything and you'll actually be able to edit it right here. Now once you're done, you can actually go ahead and click on download. You can download it in different formats. Now going in back to the homepage, creating it with AI, you'll be able to either paste in your content or generate an idea with AI. So now let's go ahead and say how to use free AI tools to make money. You can also add in stock images or AI images. And then we have this button over here. Once you click on this, this will allow you to change the model. So if you are upgrading, then you'll be able to change the model. Let's go ahead and say create. And again, on the left hand side, it's going to create an outline. And in the main section over here, you will see all of your slides. Now we can choose our styling of our theme. So let's go ahead and let's just stick with this one. Let's say apply theme. And here you will see all of your slides one by one, which you can go ahead and edit. So if you give it a second, it'll then complete. Right, now you can go in and click on this button. You'll be able to edit this. You can also see that there's an image placeholder over here. And now we have images in there. That is great. Once you're done, you're going to go down to the bottom over here. You can add slides if you'd like to. And then you can also on the left hand side make changes. So you can say change this, change that about the styling maybe, or whatever the case may be, the layout. And then you're going to say generate presentation. Now, once you've completed that presentation, it'll generate and it will actually go, you'll find it in over here. You'll be able to find all of your presentations in over here, and they will also be editable and shareable forever.